Check out this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500HD boasts an engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the mirrors, outside high-visibility vertical camper style, black, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear, GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, cruise control, electronic, engine, Vortex 6.0L variable valve timing SPI, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Tires, LT 265/70R17E all-terrain, Blackwall, license plate front mounting package, snowplow prep package, pickup box, delete. And the tire, spare LT 265/70R17E all-terrain, Blackwall. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.